Hello and welcome to Celestial Space Facts. Today's video consists of what are constellations and what are the facts about the stars. You can see the picture where constellations are available. We have probably all heard of Big Dipper and its smaller counterpart, the Little Dipper. If you know where to look in the northern hemisphere and what to look for, these constellations poop into our line of sight and really are a wonder to behold. However, scientists do not buy into the idea that these stars were placed in this order, but rather we have strung the stars together in our minds to represent an object or celestial being. This is called mnemonics or memory aids, and it works to help us break up space into more manageable bits as well as remembering the individual names of each star that makes up the constellation. This is not quite as magical or romantic as the thinking the stars have formed into beautiful works of art for us mere mortals to behold, but it works in science and astronomy. The constellations have been around for thousands of years and have been passed down from generation to generation. Let's take a closer look at some cool constellation facts, whether you believe in the romantic, magical side or the pure science. In all, these stars really are something to be behold of. 20 facts about constellation. The word constellation comes from Latin term meaning set of stars. The farmers were the first to use the constellations. In some areas, the changing of season was so subtle that farmers depending on the stars to know when it was time to plant and when the time was right to harvest. Astronomers have divided the sky into 88 different constellations. We know the constellations have been around for centuries. Historical records in 4000 BC refer to these bodies of stars. The Odyssey talks about constellation, and Cindus wrote about 43 constellations 400 years later. Fifth, a book written in 150 AD called Almagest was written by Alexandrian astronomer Ptolemy. He used historical data provided at the time from 120 to 150 AD. He claims to have taken data from as far back as 8th century BC Babylonia. Sixth, the stars are broken up into groups. The 21 northern constellations are Andromeda, Aquila, Auriga, Bootes, Cassiopeia, Cepheus, Corona, Borealis, Cygnus, Delphinus, Draco, Euclidus, Hercules, Lyra, Pegasus, Perseus, Sagitta, Serpens, Triangulum, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor. If my pronunciation is not good, please forgive me for that. They are new for me also. Seventh, there are 15 southern constellations, 21 northern constellations and 15 southern constellations that are Era, Argo Navis, Canis Major, Canis Minor, Cetus, Coronastrus, Corvus, Crater, Hydra, Lepus, Lupus, Orion and Pisces. Astrology also have their own set of 12 zodiacal constellations. That is, you can see on the left side of the image. Aries, Aquarius, Cancer, Capricorns, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus and Virgo. ये तो हम सबको पता ही है राशियों के बारे में, तो कुछ thoda bahut to. And the ninth point is these origin constellations were the only ones to be named until a German globe maker named Caspar added two or more in 1536. They are called Coma and Antinous. 10th. In ancient Greek, they did not name any constellation with the southern stars until 1589, when a Dutch astronomer named Plancius began to fill the southern celestial void. He created Crux and Triangulus. From here he went on to create many more constellations. The Greeks are responsible for naming the constellation. These names came from their mythological heroes and legends. Before fancy navigational equipment on seafaring ships, the stars were used to pinpoint their location, like Polaris, the Northern Star, the Ursa Minor, the Little Dipper constellation were used to figure out latitude north-south by how high Polaris was in the sky. In the Hindu culture, the nakshatra is the term for lunar mention. A nakshatra is one of the 27 sectors along the ecliptic. Their names are related to most prominent pattern of stars in respective sectors. Each constellation has Greek mythology and stories about how they came to be. These stories usually involve angry gods and mysterious beings. Today the stars have been mapped and show their positions. However, the stars found on each constellation may not be close to each other at all. Some of the stars will shine brighter if they are closer to the earth or if they are very large stars. Not everyone can see all constellations. It depends on where you are in the world. In addition, the season of the year also plays a role in what constellation can be seen. 17. Hydra is the largest constellation by area, which takes up 3.16% of the sky. The smallest constellation is Crux. It only takes up to 0.17% of the sky. The Big and the Little Dipper are considered as twins. This is when a small pattern of stars is found within a constellation. 20th. 22 different constellation names start with letter C. I hope this video will give you immense knowledge about constellation, and these 20 facts about the constellation are really beneficial and mesmerizing. You can see this diagram of northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. I would like to explain this also in the further videos. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love. I'm enjoying the making videos for Celestial Space Facts. With all your blessings and support, we are growing day by day, and I really wish to thank all of you, every one of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love.